Greetings everybody, my name is Rama Samatur here with the Yokogawa Corporation of America, and today we'll be going over a full FTP setup for using a SmartDAC paperless recorder like a GX, GM, or in our case a GP. To transfer over FTP, you'll need to have an FTP server, such as our FileZilla FTP server and XLite FTP server, both of which are free of cost to download from the internet, or a bulletproof FTP server which comes at a cost, or the Windows FTP native program which is pre-installed with any Windows computer. We will be using FileZilla for this demonstration, and we'll be using our GP20 data recorder as well.
All right, now we're going to set up the FTP settings in the GX. So we'll go to Menu, Browse, and Setting. We're going to scroll down to Communication Ethernet Settings. We can go into Basic Settings, and we're going to set the IP address to be on the same network as the computer. This will be on the same network there. Then we'll go into FTP Client Settings and turn this on. Set all of these transfer files to on. We'll make sure all your data will transfer. And these can stay the same. All of this can. And set the FTP server name to be the IP of the computer or the FTP server. Port number will be 21. The username and password will be what you set in FileZilla or whatever FTP server you'll be using. Leave directory blank if it's just one. And this will be off unless you're using a firewall, in which case it'll be on. Ask your administrator about those settings and then save that. Then we're going to go down into server settings, server function, and make sure that your FTP server is Unix. It can also be MS-DOS, but it'll most likely be Unix. Then server list, and turn your FTP server on. Leave encryption off and leave port number as 21. Click Save. And then you should be done with this. So we'll go into Universal, FTP Test, Primary, and Execution completed. So you've now configured FTP settings. Thank you.